What if tomorrow everything stopped? There was no more power. There was no more access to grocery stores, so no food, no internet. What if your bank account froze? Would you survive? Or would you be in absolute scramble mode? Over the last year, I've shown you how to prepare. If you're new here, welcome here. You are gonna get a fire hose of info as this video is gonna touch on almost every aspect of preparedness. I'm pulling it all together: food, water, money, mindset. This is your ultimate resilience blueprint, a plan to survive almost anything and stay strong, fed, and free no matter what comes next. I have made it super easy for you. After you watch this, go down to the video description and I will link a video that I have done on every subject I'm laying out here. You are going to get the details in those videos. Here on this video, you're going to get the concept for the whole system. Does that sound fair? Well, let's do this. So step one is physical survival. It's pretty important. Without food or water or shelter, you don't have time to think, plan, or lead. All your preparedness is nothing without water. It needs to be clean, you need to have enough of it, and you need to have a way to continue to provide water for yourself. So if you're just starting out, start with water. Start here and reevaluate your water system if you've been at this a while. Ah yes, the episode I did on the emergency closet, 3 shelves that can be life-saving. I made this video specifically for you who in the comment section were asking me for something for a smaller space, maybe limited income, that sort of thing. The emergency closet system gives you a full week with mobility or to stay at home. It gives you that full week of supplies and tools and food. It's not a perfect system, but it definitely is a start. Moving on to a more rounded system, the video that I did that showed our 6-month pantry system for 7 people, that is a starter, a look at what we do. Now there's many more parts to that. I didn't show our freezer system and I didn't show our upstairs pantry that goes along with the food stores that we keep in our colder room areas. So I'm going to show that in the future, but here is a great place to start, is in the 6-month system. Now, if you have no power, that is no problem, because you saw in this video how to make jerky over a fire. You can make bread from scratch over some coals, and meals that cost under $2 but still fuel your body. I am a big supporter of keeping your muscles strong and also your hormones strong and firing the way that we're intended to be, right? You need that testosterone. You need those hormones to react correctly in an emergency situation. So food and water are a primary part of preparing and doing it right. Not just doing a bunch of processed junk or whatever AI tells you to do, something that is tried, true, and stable. That's what this is about. Talking more about food, freeze-dried food is the ultimate for so many reasons. Everyone should have at least some, but it's just part of our family's food storage system. I show you how we do the 6 months of food for 7 people, and freeze-dried is part of that scenario. It's part of that whole system. This isn't just theory for us. This isn't just theory for me. I've lived this for the last 2 decades, and I've been part of municipal planning for disasters and emergencies. Because preparedness, it isn't about panic. It is about being an adult in a broken system. Next, we're going to talk about financial survival, or coming out of an emergency or a disaster actually in better shape than most people. How do you do that? Well, when the dollar drops or the shelves are empty, maybe the power grid just fails. You want real value in your hand. In your hand. If you can't hold it in your hand, it is not real. The number on the screen is not real. If there's a real emergency and they can't do the accounting for it, or you can't get access because your password, when there's no power, it doesn't matter, does it? It's not real. Those investment options, they are not something that you can hold in your hand. I choose silver and gold, precious metals. I show you strategies and how to start, and I've even made it really easy for you. What's that? You say, with the price of food, who can buy gold and silver? Well, what about making your food budget work hard? I broke down how to stretch a pound of ground beef, how to make protein-rich homemade bread, and how to stock your pantry like you mean it. Because the true currency of collapse, it's not digital. It's counted in calories, it's counted in skills and commodities. Here is the part that most people just skip altogether. It's about your mind and your spirit, your resolve. When the lights go out, knowledge is your flashlight. Talking about flashlights, I did a lighting video too. But knowledge is a light in the darkness as well. That's why I built a survival library, books on foraging, medicine, leadership, and faith. Gear can break. Food can run right out. But discipline, adaptability, and meaning to life, that stays. And practice makes it possible. This channel was never about preparedness. It's actually about resilience as a way of life. So what does this all come down to? 3 things. 1 is your survival stack. We're talking about your water, your food, and your energy. The second thing is the financial core. It's value that you can hold in your hand over fiat currency. And number 3 is the mental core. It is about strength and preparedness over fear. This is the blueprint. It's not just about surviving a collapse. It's about living with purpose when others panic. I make it easy for you. You have all the information and links. All you need to do is choose to make the move to be more prepared today than you were yesterday. It's your life and it's your family. This is why I do this. I've seen the ugliness of when people are not prepared. If you like what I'm saying, I'm working on so much more helpful content like this. It's not AI froth, but real, actionable, tested by me and my family. As you've seen, every single video and photo on this channel are stuff that we've done. It's stuff that we have, it's stuff that we use. It works. So stick around and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to do me a favor, hit that like button and share this video with someone. It really helps YouTube know to give this video some space on the platform. It's highly competitive out there, and I appreciate you helping me with that. I truly appreciate and love it when you guys make comments on these videos. I have learned so many things, and I've actually added to my system and subtracted a few things here and there because of your comments. If you're new here, this is where it starts. And if you've been here for a while, you already know what to do. Keep taking action. We'll see you on the next one.